Hey there, YouTube. Today we're looking at the H10121 in Marrow bone. This is the sheath, slightly different than the other sheaths, but very much the same. So yeah, adequate sheath, that's good. You want a sheath to come with your knife. Otherwise, how will you carry it? If it's a fixed blade. I'm gonna very gently, in circular motions, remove whatever is on this blade. But here is the marrow bone handle scales. I'm looking to see if no extra glue on this one. I do like the marrow bone on this knife. I think it looks good. It is a little bit thinner though, almost not super noticeably, but a little thinner in the hand, and it's already super thin handle. But this piece is very much like the other pieces that the two that I just did videos for. I don't know when they're gonna go up exactly, but yeah, this is another easy W, I feel like, for GEC. Like, if someone were to pick this up, you know that they would probably enjoy it. I mean, it's a good looking piece. I really like the bone. I know GEC in the beginning of next year is doing some kind of serpentine trapper, with an improved trapper, I think, with Warncliffe and clip point. Pretty excited about that. I also scored a store knife, an S knife, of the new like Liberty knives that are coming out. Pretty excited about that. I'll be putting up videos. But yeah, hope you folks enjoyed a look at this piece of cutlery. That's all she wrote for this one. Have a good rest of your day.